Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like heated seats, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, skid plates, remote keyless entry, a trailer hitch, and air conditioning. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.